In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use spell check with Google Sheets. If you work with text inside spreadsheets, whether it's notes, labels, headers, or short descriptions, running a spell check can help you catch mistakes quickly and keep your sheet looking polished and professional. The good news is that Google Sheets makes this process very simple once you know where to find it. To get started, open your Google Sheets file. Make sure you're in the spreadsheet where you want to review the text for spelling errors. This is important because spell check will work within the sheet you currently have open. Next, click and select the cells you want to apply spell check to. You can highlight a single cell, a group of cells, or a larger range depending on how much content you want to review. If you only want to check a specific section of your spreadsheet, selecting those cells first helps keep the spell check focused on just that area. This can save time, especially if your sheet contains a lot of data. Once your cells are selected, move to the top menu and click on Tools. This menu contains several helpful options related to working with your spreadsheet, and spell check is located there. After that, hover over or click on Spelling. This opens the spelling related options available in Google Sheets. If you don't usually use this menu, take a moment to notice where it is, because it can be useful anytime you need to review text accuracy in a sheet. Then click on Spell Check. Google Sheets will begin scanning the selected cells for possible spelling mistakes. If any words are flagged, you'll be able to review them and decide whether to accept the suggested correction or keep the original word. This is especially helpful when your spreadsheet includes typed content that may have been entered quickly or copied from another source. As you go through the spell check, pay close attention to names, abbreviations, product codes, or industry-specific terms. Sometimes a word may be marked as incorrect, even though it's actually right for your context. In those cases, you can simply leave it as is. And that's all it takes to use spell check in Google Sheets. Open your sheet, select the cells you want to check, go to Tools, choose Spelling, and then click Spell Check. It's a quick feature, but it can make a big difference in the quality and readability of your spreadsheet content.